Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this Aries inspired hand painted nail art design using dip powder and gel polish. So let's get right into the video. So what you saw me doing there was applying my Cherael Sky bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. I'm using my Pro Dip white dip powder that I mixed with diamond dust glitter, and I did a few layers but I only showed 3 layers. And if you'd like to skip to the nail art segment, I'll leave some timestamps below in the description. Then I encapsulated with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I apply my modeloes top coat and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm using my modeloes black gel polish and my Macart detail brush, and this is the design I'll be trying to do right here. So I learned from my last design where I did my Pisces nail art that I should mark where I want the design to be. So that's what I'm doing, but remember to remove it before curing. So I placed a line at the center of the nail and then curved it to the left side. So I just did that, and then I did a thin line on the other side, and that's basically the Aries symbol. I darkened the symbol by applying another layer of gel polish and curing for 30 seconds. I actually forgot to remove the line I made on the tip area before curing, but that can be filed off. Now it's time to draw the face, so I started from the bottom and that was a failure. The face didn't turn out how I wanted it to. I don't know what was missing, but it was not looking like the picture, so I had to redo it. So I removed it and started over, and it came out okay. It could have been better, but I'm new to this, so I know if I continue in a year's time I wouldn't even like this design again. But I believe I did okay if I do say so myself. So I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. Now to get the lighter areas so it looks like shading, I applied some top coat and mixed it with the black gel polish and placed it where there were shadows. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Then some white gel polish for the eye, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I apply top coat to the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. So let me know what you guys think of my Aries inspired hand painted drawing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!